And earlier today was the inaugural Spring into Motherhood community baby shower at the Charles Hayward Activity Center. Now it's an opportunity for expecting mothers to get health information as well as participate in some fun and game. Now the community baby shower is in partnership with Humana Healthy Horizons, and at the Alexandria Housing Authority, health advocates and educational vendors built the center, giving information and resources to local families. Among the vendors are the Cenla Pregnancy Center, the Nurse Family Partnership, the Department of Health, Cenla Healthy Start, and Sickle Cell Anemia Resource Foundation. Outside the center, the Allegiance Mobile Health Unit was available to give out free screenings, a step to network mothers with health workers.
They can also connect them with a physician or try to show them what that next step is if they haven't, because we know that first trimester is so important. So as we know across this region and really across the state, that's not always happening.
Other issues the community baby shower informs parents of are safety concerning car seats, issues with breastfeeding, feeding, and tobacco products used within the home.